Hi, air signs. So, meron tayong bonus reading ngayon, no? We will be talking about the stages, no, ng romance. Nagsimula ito sa single. If you are single, then that will be your reading. Mutual relationship or mutual understanding. Meron ding separate reading. Very quick, no? In a relationship, meron din yung hindi pa kinakasal. So meron din dito for couples, no? Ito yung mga kinasal na and those who are in separations, no? We will tackle all of those. For jobs and finances, we will be looking forward to the reading, no, na for individuals who's looking for job. Um, Also, we will be checking looking for promotion, looking for an increase, no? And in general also, no, we will be having a reading. Your lucky number and lucky color. So napakaganda, napakadaming bonus. This is for Mercury in Taurus reading. No? So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, don't forget to click that our international channel, that is Babaylan TV. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome. No, air signs. Kung wala naman po kayong time, no, that's okay. Pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, air signs for singles. Simulan na natin. The Page of Swords, the Chariot, and the Ten of Cups. Wow. Air signs, jowang-jowa na, no? I feel like ready na. Ready na tayo sa pagkakaalam natin. Handang-handa na tayong makipagrelasyon muli, no? I feel like itong sinasabi nating relasyon na ito, gusto mo sanang magtagal, no? Mas gusto mo sana yung for a few numbers of you may ibang lahi, no? Or not purely kumbaga tribo, no? If we're gonna go back in history, it could be also, let's say Tagalog, no? Gusto ko siguro Bulakenyo, no? Or taga Cavite, no? Yung ibang tribo, no? For a few numbers of you, baka gusto naman ng ibang lahi talaga, like foreigner, no? I think like nagkaroon sila ng bad experiences from the past. Singles, ayan na nga, with the Two of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Two of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Wag po sa katrabaho, ha? Yan ang nakikita natin dito sa singles. Wag po sa katrabaho kasi may hirapan kayo na kumbaga magkaroon ng communication, magkakaroon ng instead of mutual understanding or magkakaroon kayo ng simula. It's not that, no? Wag po tayo dito sa katrabaho for now, no? On this season sa Mercury in Taurus. Now, ang communication dito, I think like kailangan nyo nang mag-explore, no? At kung meron na kayong exploration na nagaganap, meron mang little challenges, pero nakikita ko magtutuloy-tuloy. So go for gold, no? Huwag nating ipahiya ang bandera ng Pilipinas. So go for it. Nandoon ang inyong kapalaran, no? For those who are having this mutual understanding relationship, so with the Six of Swords, the Strength card, and the Three of Swords. Nako, hindi maganda ang nakikita kong, kumbaga, flow dito sa, for those who are having this mutual relationship, no? Kasi parang pain lang, kasi yung isa, Gina, no? Gina to sabihin natin, magkaroon ng maging sila. Pero yung isa, ayaw pa, no? I think that there is complacency, no, dito sa or satisfaction. That's why I'm having complacency. Kasi pag sinabi natin complacency, okay na, nasa-satisfied na rin ako dito sa nangyayari. Bakit kailangan ko pa ng relasyon? Kasi nakukuha ko naman lahat. I think that there's just something about the control here with the death card and the knight of wands. So nakakalabuan to on and off na, no? I think for a few numbers of you, those who are in a mutual relationship, merong pain, no? Hindi tayo masyadong masaya. I think that we are also considering other options. We are considering also, or probably someone here is already talking someone online. It's very new, no? That is for those people who are into the mutual relationship. How about for those who are already in a relationship? So magjowa na, no? Pero hindi pa kasal. So magjowa na pero hindi pa kasal. With the Four of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the King, the Knight of Wands. I mean, the King of Wands. Knight of Wands, actually. Someone is in control of this connection. Dapat lang naman, no? Kasi meron na kayong agreement. Ang nakikita ko dito, someone is very, let's say, protective of the connection. Someone is very protective of the relationship per se. Someone is really holding on into the connection too tight. Wala naman ding reklamo, no? So parang sabi lang ng isa, okay, so pagbibigyan kita, actually this is too tight. With the Eight of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Now, ang babala lamang, no, dun sa sobrang nag-hold in too tight, baka naman nasasaktan na or nawawala na masyado ng kalayaan, no, itong ating karelasyon. Baka meron ditong hindi na siya masaya o baka nagsisisi. Ang mahirap dito kasi the Four of Cups is on top of the Knight of Swords. I mean, Knight of Wands. Chances are, baka pag ito napuno, humiwalay, 'di ba? So, medyo anuhin lang natin po siya, no? Ating um, i-balance, no, ang paghawak sa relasyon. So, how about doon po sa mga couples na, 'di ba? So, when we say couples na, ito yung may kasal na, pwedeng may anak na, pwedeng wala, basta meron silang agreement, no? With the death card, legal agreement ha, the Ten of Wands and the Strength card. So, ang nakikita ko dito, meron ding mga challenges. For a few numbers of you, baka yung isa nahihirapan, no, how to fix the issue. Meron talagang challenges dito na parang yung isa ayaw pa munang ibigay yung makipagbate, no? Separations is here physical or energetic, no? With the Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups. I love the Three of Cups showed up here, even with the Seven of Cups are here. Siguro pinagsiselos lang yung isa. And then yung isa naman, ayaw naman din give in doon sa selos, no? Basta gagawa ako ng paraan makuha kita uli. Now, with the Ten of Wands, with the Queen of Pentacles and the Devil card in here, I think marami ditong sinasabi nating mind games na nangyayari sa doon sa mga couples who are in relationship, no, para lang makuha yung gusto nila, even yung kabila hindi naman ibinibigay. So medyo madamot, no? In a way, kasi bakit naman ako magsiselos kung alam kong show lang naman ito, no? At hindi totoo. So yun ang nakikita ko dito for couples. So how about doon sa mga may separation? So quick guide lamang po ito kasi bonus reading, ano. So for those who are actually in separation, I feel like with the Five of Wands, Four of Swords, and the Judgment, clarified, I mean, underneath here is the Justice, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Wands. I feel like pinagsiselos din ito, no? Baka nakakakita kayo ng picture may kasama, no? I think this is intentional. Kung meron man ditong kayong pinagseselosan, it's not actually true with the Four of Swords. Wala talagang nangyayari sa kanila, no? Actually, ikaw pa rin yung mahal. In fact, pwedeng ginagamit dito yung third party para ipagselosin ka, no? With the Justice card, the Four of Wands and the Two of Wands, I feel like pag pinagpatuloy mo itong no reaction, babalik siya sa'yo, no? Nakikita ko dito na for those who are in separation, pinanggigigil niya lang kayo or pinagsiselos, no? So yan po ang inyong reading when it comes to romance, air signs. So let's tackle or discuss itong jobs and finances. So doon po sa mga naghahanap po ng trabaho, no? For those who are looking for job, with the star, the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. So nakikita ko dito, medyo stagnant po ang paghahanap natin ng trabaho. It may not be on this specific season. Although, hindi ko sinabing hindi kayo magkakaroon ng bagong trabaho. Magkakaroon kayo pero not on this season. Pero may bawi naman. Kasi yung makikita niyo yung trabaho dito with the Ten of Pentacles, that is the highest form of the abundance, no? And the star, I'm seeing here na ito matatagpuan yung trabaho. I think something about encoding, database, no? Something in here na magkakaroon kayo dito with the star promotion. So how about doon sa mga looking for promotion with the King of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Hierophant? So I feel like meron ditong politika, no? Which means that I feel like you need to prove yourself more kasi meron silang somewhat na napupusuan na iba. I feel like na hindi naman kailangan natin sumipsep, na i-prove lang natin yung knowledge natin at kailangan makita nila yung sincerity. And for that, ma-achieve mo naman itong promotion. So how about dun sa ano ng increase, looking forward sa increase kanilang sahod, mukhang malabo, no? With the Tower, the Ten of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles, malabo kasi hindi dahil ayaw kang bigyan ng increase. Malabo kasi may problema din, no? Either ang company, so financial problem in here. So kung kulang yung nakukuha, hindi paano nga naman sila magbibigay, no? So tiis-tiis lang ng konti, ang iyong hinahanap na increase is not on this season as well, no? So in general, tingnan natin. In general, for our air signs, the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So, mag-start na po tayong kumilos kung ano man itong goal natin kasi I feel like this is self-sabotage, no? If we really need to go somewhere, talk to someone, no? Medyo ibaba ang pride, no? With the Seven of Swords, medyo kailangan natin talagang sa atin mag-initiate. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik. No procrastination. Kumilos po agad. Ayan. So when it comes to your lucky number, ang lucky number po natin is number 13. Ang lucky color po is black. So ayan po ang inyong reading for now. Air signs, and para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa kabilang channel po yun, at kung gusto niyo po ng sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel din po, no? So, air signs, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan dito po, no, sa comment section sa YouTube, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So this is your bonus reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.